had a 400-pound love child. He's wearing a sleeveless muscle shirt with the words, "Keep America Great" on it, and a graphic of the president holding a guitar. I'm standing in front of the fridge door that had energy drinks in it when Bill over here taps on my shoulder. I turned around. In this moment, I felt like Derek Shepherd when the semi-truck was coming. Pure fear. The conversation went as follows. Me. "Hey, sorry, am I in your way?" Bill. "You're awfully young to be working here. Can I see your manager? I don't think pants like that should be allowed on the job." Me, now very confused. "I'm sorry, I don't work here. Do you need help? I can get an employee if you need." I picked up 2 orange monsters. My AP test is on the 11th, and I need to get my sleep schedule back on track, so I'm pulling an all-nighter, and moved 6 feet away from the guy. I already had my dad's soda tucked under my arm. Bill. "Are you one of them girls who do free car washes? Can you clean out my passenger seat and come home with me? Nobody'll notice. Just say you're on your break." That escalated quickly. For context, I'm black/white/Hispanic mixed, but didn't end up with curly hair or blue eyes. I have brown eyes and very thick and wavy dark brown hair. Me. "No, I'm sorry. Let me find you an employee." Bill. "No, it'll be just fine." Bill then reaches for my free hand, which I very sharply pull away. I started walking to the front of the store, and he follows a few feet behind. I put my things on the counter and start to check out. Bill is standing like a foot behind me. Employee. "Good morning. Did you find everything okay?" Me. "Good morning. Yes, I did. Thank you for asking." Bill, now yelling. Excuse me. I can see that you're friends and all, but your employee has been absolutely disgusting to me, and I want my gas pumped for free." Employee. "Sir, I'm sorry. She's not an employee. She's a customer." "No, she's not. She offered to help me in the aisle back there." "Sir, that was probably just her practicing common courtesy." Me. "Is your chip reader working, or should I swipe?" Bill. "I want your manager now." Employee. "Sir, I'm the only person here right now. The manager will be here at 10 a.m. I'm standing there holding the card and waiting for this dude to back off and grab a little tube of donuts from the counter for my troubles, then place it down since I hadn't paid yet. Bill then huffs and storms out, gets into a 4x4 with wheels as tall as me, and very aggressively drives away as Hotel California blares from the speakers. I could hear it from inside the store. Employee. The chip reader works. Go ahead. The total of $11.24. I left and found my dad, handed him the bag, and told him my tale. We leave. On the way home, we passed Bill's truck. I don't think he saw us. I hope he didn't. We were in a Prius. 4x4 versus Prius never goes well for the Prius. Take the money I give for bills and squander it? Hope you like the court system. I lived with a group of people who I thought were my friends. They were 2 couples, and we all lived in the same house for almost 2 years until I recently moved out. There was David and Tina and Brittany and AJ. I was the only single person there. There was a debate on how we should pay the bills, but we all decided to give the money to the person whose name was on the bill. David paid the mortgage, Tina paid the water and electric/gas, and I paid the internet. It came to the point where I was paying close to 80% of the mortgage by myself, the entire water bill, and about 75% of the gas and electric, and I was paying the internet bill by myself. I was giving the money still to the person in charge of the bill, but came to find out about 10 days before I moved out that the mortgage was defaulted on and the house was in foreclosure. Also, the water, gas, and electric bills were a constant threat of being shut off, and that the only up-to-date bill was the internet. While they all saw me struggle to pay these off, they were mindlessly spending money during the day, which is when I sleep due to working 3rd shift, so I never saw the mindless things they spent money on, nor did I ever see the mail since they grabbed it before I woke up. Brittany never paid anything as she was having her check garnished due to unpaid student loans, but she always had expensive makeup. AJ never held a job for more than 2 weeks. David and Tina were always calling into work, knowing that I wouldn't allow them to go without a home due to our history. One day, I woke up while they were all out and about doing something or other, so I went to go check the mail as I was expecting a package when I saw the bills in the mail, so I decided to investigate. I opened up the gas and electric bill, as they are by the same company, to see a total amount of almost $400 and in risk of being shut off. I was shocked and upset.